Okay, so now we have a card. Looks like this. It is very nice, and I'm going to decorate it now just quickly so that you can see how it is done. I need to plug in my other light so that you guys can see me better. Here, let me do this. Put it in here. This recording thing is something else. All right, turn on a little bit more light. Hopefully you can see it much better. All right, so I've got these little circles that I cut out, and I'm just going to glue them together with some glue. Put that on top of here. Make sure it's okay. Now I have a little medallion to go on the top so that I can put it here. Now I'm going to put some paper here so that I can put my sentiment. So I'll cut it a piece, maybe 3 by 3. This leaves space for you to put your little sentiment. Put it here in the middle. Okay. And the glue I'm using is art glitter glue. I also use the Barely glue as well. And both seem to be about the same, so I don't have a preference. Kind of eyeball it to see if that's good. And then I'm going to put my sentiment here, my front medallion here, and I'm going to glue just the top. You don't want to glue it too far because it's just going to be over a portion. So it'll look like that. Okay? That's a little crooked. Not really. There you go. Oh, and there you go. You have a beautiful card to put your sentiment. And what I use to keep it down is I use these. So I put one on the top. Well, yeah, one on the top, in the middle. I put the fuzzy piece on top of that one. So it was very sticky and very well glued, so that I make sure I press it in the right place. And there you go. It could be a Mother's Day card. I did not decorate it any further, but I hope you've learned something from this video and make lots of them, because remember, you can make, with 12 by 12 paper, you can make 2. And, you could go to town on doing a whole bunch of other stuff with it. Okay, thanks for joining. Please subscribe to my channel and like it. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.